Hi everyone, my name is Abdi Fatah Sharif. I love food and I mean home cooked food. I love cooking as well as food prepared with fresh ingredients. Food that always reminds me of home. Now, as an airline steward, I travel a lot and cook for my colleagues whenever I get a chance. A lot of people assume that home-cooked meal, especially Somali food, is so difficult to make because it requires a lot of time and a million ingredients. I want to share with you some recipes and encourage you to try them out. You will see how simple and fun it is. Let's get started. Hello and welcome. I'm Abdi Fatah and today I'll be showing you how to make hilib laforne yubris, which means roast goat meat and rice. We normally make this dish for special occasions like weddings, but today I'm making it for my special guest. The key ingredients for this dish is goat meat and rice. The parts that I love to roast is the ribs and the leg. To start with, I'm going to marinate my goat meat. I'm going to mix 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika and curry powder, 3 tablespoons of hawash. Mix them together. I want all my spices and the ghee, salt and the white vinegar to mix properly. Now I'm going to poke my meat before marinating. This helps the marinade get into the meat. Now let's marinate our goat meat. I'm going to pour some little bit of my spices. Rub it properly so that the marinade gets into the meat. Next, I'm going to rub ginger and garlic. This helps tenderize the meat. If you don't want your meat to get burnt or dry before roasting, is to chop some bell pepper, onion, tomatoes, put them on top of the meat. Cover it with a foil before putting it in the oven. Make sure that the foil covers the tray. I'm going to put it in the oven for 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, I'm going to remove the foil and put the goat meat back in the oven for another 30 minutes so that I can get the golden brown color. As our goat meat is roasting, I'm going to start making the rice. Now I'm going to add ghee in the pot. And then add some onion. Cover it and until it becomes brown, and later on add ginger and garlic. Next, add rice, add hawash and salt, add cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, stir a little bit, and then add 2 cups of water, 1 cup of broth, and then cover it for 20 minutes. Then add cilantro, add your food color, and then top it up with some raisins. After 2.5 hours, remove the foil and the veggies, and then return it back in the oven for another 30 minutes so that it becomes golden brown. My rice is ready. It is so colorful and moist, and it will go very well with the roast meat. My guests are on the way, and I have to try this.
they will definitely enjoy it.